Hi, everyone. Welcome back. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? It's great to be back and chat with all of you.
Today's topic is something we all experience every single day, right? Our daily routine.
Exactly. We're talking about daily routine conversations. Let's dive in and share some funny experiences along the way.
Oh, I'm sure we have plenty of those. So let's get started. What time do you usually wake up? Seriously.
Haha. Okay, so on weekdays, my alarm is set for 6:30 a.m. But the snooze button is my best friend.
Oh my goodness, I know that feeling. Seriously, how many times do you hit that snooze button before actually getting up? Be honest.
Usually 3, maybe 4 times. Sometimes 5 if I had a really late night. It's a real struggle.
No way. 3 or 4? I'm usually a 1 or 2 snoozer. Then I just force myself out of bed. The alarm clock is such an enemy sometimes.
Exactly. It feels like a battle every morning. My morning habits usually involve a quick check of my phone. Bad habit, I know.
Same here. It's like my brain isn't fully awake until I've scrolled for a minute. Then for me, it's straight to the kitchen. Coffee or tea for you?
Definitely coffee. Black coffee, strong. I need that energy boost to, become a functional human being. What about you?
I'm a coffee person too. Can't start my day without it. Do you ever skip it, or is that just not an option?
Skipping coffee? Oh, that's a dangerous game. I tried it once, and let's just say my productivity took a serious hit. I was so sleepy during meetings.
I can imagine. I get so sleepy during meetings even with coffee sometimes. Do you fit in any exercise or a walk in the morning?
I try to. After coffee, I usually take my dog for a short walk. It's not a full workout, but it helps me wake up and get some fresh air. It's nice.
That's a great habit. I wish I was that consistent. My morning exercise is usually just getting ready for work really fast.
That counts, right? Getting ready can be a workout in itself sometimes, especially if you're trying to find matching socks.
Exactly. Or when you can't find your phone and you're running around like crazy. It's always in the most obvious place, too.
Oh my goodness, that's so relatable. I once spent 10 minutes looking for my glasses and they were on my head the whole time. That's hilarious.
That's hilarious. Happens to the best of us. So what are your breakfast habits like? Are you a big breakfast person or a quick bite?
I'm usually a quick bite person during the week. Maybe some yogurt or toast. Sometimes I just miss breakfast if I'm running super late.
Same here. I'm definitely guilty of missing breakfast sometimes. But on the days I work from the office, the traffic and commute can be crazy.
Oh, don't even get me started on traffic. It can add so much time to your day. It's like a whole extra part of your routine.
Right? And then you arrive at work already feeling stressed. Do you prefer working from home or going to the office?
Good question. I think I like a hybrid model, a bit of both. Working from home is great for focus, but the office has that social energy.
I know what you mean. Sometimes at home, I find myself doing laundry instead of working. It's too tempting.
Haha, exactly. It's like, oh, I'll just quickly empty the dishwasher, and then an hour goes by. It's a real balancing act.
It truly is. So let's talk about lunch break activities. Do you actually take a full break or eat at your desk?
I try to take a real break, step away from the screen. Maybe go for a short walk outside or chat with a colleague. It helps clear my head.
That's smart. I often eat at my desk, which probably isn't the best. It's hard to switch off, especially if you're really busy.
That's true. But a little break can make you more productive in the afternoon, right? So what does your evening routine look like?
My evening routine starts with cooking dinner, usually. Then, if I'm lucky, some time with family or friends. What about you?
Same here. After dinner, it's usually family time. We might play a board game or just talk about our day. It's important to connect.
Absolutely. And after that, it's often a bit of screen time, right? Watching YouTube or TV?
Oh, definitely. Sometimes I just get lost watching random YouTube videos. Like suddenly it's midnight and I'm watching videos about how pencils are made.
No way. That's hilarious. I do the same thing, but usually it's about funny animal videos. It's so easy to lose track of time.
Exactly. It's like just one more video, and then suddenly 2 hours have passed. Do you try to learn English every day, even in your routine?
I do try. Even just listening to an English podcast or watching a show with English subtitles counts, I think. Small habits, right?
Totally. It doesn't have to be a big study session. Just consistently exposing yourself to the language. Like right now, we're talking about our routines.
Exactly. It's all about communication and confidence, not perfect grammar. Seriously, small daily habits create big improvements, you know?
You're so right. And speaking of daily habits, what are your bedtime habits? Are you good at putting your phone away?
Uh-oh, not always. Sometimes I'm still scrolling YouTube far too close to bedtime. I need to be better about reading a book instead.
Same here. I tell myself I'll read, but then I see a notification and that's it. It's a vicious cycle.
It really is, and it totally affects how well I sleep. Do your weekday and weekend routines differ a lot?
Oh, a lot. Weekends are much more relaxed. I usually wake up later, no alarm, and spend more time on hobbies or with friends.
That sounds amazing. My weekend routine is definitely slower too. More time for a proper breakfast, which is a luxury, seriously.
Absolutely. A long, relaxed breakfast is one of my favorite things about the weekend. No rushing, no traffic stress.
Exactly. And the evening routine is different too. More going out or just staying in and having a movie night, you know?
Definitely. Movie nights are great. Or sometimes just going for a long walk in the park without thinking about the next workday. It's so refreshing.
It really is. It helps to recharge for the week ahead. But, it's funny how much structure our weekdays have.
That's true. Weekdays are all about getting things done, and weekends are about, well, living a bit more freely.
Exactly. It's all about that balance. So we've talked a lot about our routines. It's been fun sharing all the little quirks.
It has, and it just goes to show that everyone has their own version of a daily routine, with all the funny struggles and little joys.
Right? From hitting the snooze button too many times to getting stuck in traffic, we all experience similar things.
Definitely. And it's a great way to practice simple English every day, just by talking about these everyday things.
Exactly. You don't need perfect English, just practice a little every day. Small daily habits really do create big improvements.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation and heard some things that you can relate to in your own daily routine.
Remember, just keep practicing English. Don't worry about every single grammar rule. Just focus on communicating and building confidence.
We'd love to hear from you. Tell us about your daily routine in the comments. What time do you usually wake up? Do you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We really appreciate you spending this time with us.
We'll see you again in the next episode for another fun chat. Take care and keep practicing English.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of your day or evening.
Bye.